Ladies and gentlemen, this is Jacob Holmes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invest the money you have deposited. So you must have gone through the video on how to deposit. So this is how to invest so that you can start and your money can be traded on with the robot. So what you need, minimum deposit is $10, but for a start you need $20 for a year for the robot, $100 for the minimum investment needed for this business. So let's go. We're going to click on this menu here, then you click on XAI bot. First thing you do is that you're going to pay for your yearly subscription first. So you're going to click on create deposit. You click on confirm. So you have to pay the $20. So your subscription updated. So that has been paid. So you can come here, click on your menu, click on financial proposal, click on XAI bot again. Okay, so you click on create deposit again. It's not gone off yet, so let's just okay. So it has to become like this. So create deposit as shown. What you do now is to invest the $100. So you can click on maximum or put in the amount. If you have more than 1,000, you want to just put in maybe 500, you can type in or click on max. Then you can click on I hereby accept the rules, and then you click on create deposit. All right, so you've deposited. So you can click on go to dashboard back. Then you can reinvest. So that if you want automatic reinvestment, you have to click back on menu, click on financial proposal, click on the XAI bot, and then you scroll down. Your status is waiting. Later it will be active, so don't worry about this. As far as you've done what I've said, it will be active later. So you click on reinvest. If you want to make more money, you click on reinvest. Your money will automatically be reinvesting as you're making profit. But if you want your profit to be available to you in your wallet balance, so that you can make some withdrawal, you can come back here, the same place, and off it, so that your next profits will be dropping in your main wallet, so that you can make withdrawal. You understand? So that's it. So that's how you can now go back to your dashboard. You can click here, menu, click on dashboard. You can see your referral link here. You can get here and then click on dashboard, and then your money won't be here. You are active because you've paid the $20 for a year, and then your money is now, once you are active, you will be on level 1 Nova. So if you are a marketer, you would eventually have $3,000 under your team, and then you'll be given $100 bonus, and then you scale up from there. So that's good. All right, thank you for watching, and God bless.